Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are in Nairn, as you can see back here. We're in Nairn Lochloy for a holiday, so I hope you enjoy the video. So now we are going to go view some cars in Inverness, so we'll see you then. This is the car we have now. And this is the car we might be getting. Really fancy. They've got, like, on that screen thing there, they've got like the rear view cameras and stuff. That's good. You can't see, and some windows are tinted. Looks nice, doesn't it? The boys are happy. Mum and Dad seem to be happy, so I think that's what it looks like from the front. It looks. So, Craig, what do you think about the car?
Awesome, mate.
So we've taken a quick detour from the car, and there's quite a lot of paperwork to be done with that. So we've come to Smith's and Starbucks for a quick break. So I just got this new microphone for my the PS4. It looked quite nice. So we just finished shopping, and now I think we're going to Inverness Airport for a bit of plane spotting. Alright, that's us finished off at the airport, so we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Hey everyone, welcome back to another day. This morning we are going to go for a walk, so we'll show you some parts of that, I guess. So we're heading off to the beach to see what it's like.
This hit the beach.
Now we're at the Nairn Bridge. Oh my god, this one looks so cool. Look at this. And that leads you, if I zoom, that's the bridge, and then there's the park over there. Look at him! Look at the way he's doing it! He doesn't know, it's supposed to be like a bench press kind of thing. So we've made it back to the Arnold Clark, and we're hoping to go for round 2 of trying to get the car. Right, so because of insurance we can only pick it up tomorrow. So tomorrow we will get the car. Third time's a charm, isn't it, Callum? I'm talking rubbish. Good morning, today is Monday, I think, yep. And we are going to I think we're going to get the car, then we're going to go to Aberdeen, to then go to Cadona's. I think that's what we got in plan, isn't it, Cal? Mm-hmm. So today you should be expecting some GoPro footage of us on some rides. So I hope you enjoy today. This is future Aaron. I forgot to intro this bit, but this is Cadona's here. That's just come out, so you'll just see some GoPro footage of us having some fun. that's us done. Yeah, I had so much fun. I recommend that place a lot in Aberdeen. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So we finally made it to Landmark. Well, I hope you enjoy some GoPro footage. So we've made it. I'm out alive after all them attractions. Now we're gonna do some more quieter, calmer stuff. Some optical illusions, I think. Right, we have made it to Brodie Castle. It's a new day. Yeah, so just get some footage of us walking around. We're just going for a walk because we've been doing some high intense stuff the whole week, so we need a break. So we've come here. For the abrupt ending, But for Thursday, I forgot to pick up the camera and record something, and Friday was just the trip home. So nothing really exciting happened those days. We just did a bit of shopping and stuff like that. So you haven't missed much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.